To England, where Prime Minister Boris Johnson has announced a new set of COVID restrictions starting tomorrow. At the same time, he's facing a scandal that could undermine his authority overall. We've got Remi Inocencio for us outside 10 Downing Street. That's the Prime Minister's home in London, where he had a party last Christmas. Faced some criticism for that. Remi, good morning.
Good morning, Tony. And the mood here is one of resignation, that this is a setback in terms of the freedoms and the mobilities that Britons have been able to enjoy for much of the past year. But Prime Minister Boris Johnson is now saying that these COVID restrictions are for the protection of the people, this Plan B, and it is not a prelude to another lockdown.
But from Monday, you should work from home if you can. Go to work if you must, but work from home if you can. And I know this will be hard for many people.
UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson announcing the strictest COVID prevention measures since this summer after a dire forecast of an exponential rise from about 500 known Omicron cases now to more than 1 million by New Year's in just 3 weeks. Starting Friday, face masks will be legally required in most public indoor venues. And starting next week, double vaccinations or a negative test will be required at large events. But Johnson said people should not cancel their Christmas parties, just as he's suffering a crisis in confidence after leaked video from a rehearsal press conference inside 10 Downing showing his staff strongly implied they flouted COVID restrictions with a Christmas party there in 2020.
It wasn't a party, it was cheese and wine.
Just be clear, it's not.
Is cheese and wine all right?
No.
It was a business meeting.
I'm joking.
This is recorded. His fictional party was a business meeting. And it was not socially distanced.
Allegra Stratton, Johnson's press secretary at the time, tearfully resigning late Wednesday.
I will regret those remarks for the rest of my days, and I offer my profound apologies to all of you at home.
And forcing an apology from the Prime Minister.
I'm sickened myself and furious about that.
But sorry may not be enough for those who did follow the rules but lost loved ones during the pandemic.
And all of the UK's new COVID restrictions will be coming into force by next week. But the question is whether the people will actually follow it, especially after Prime Minister Boris Johnson's government advisors this time last year apparently flouted those rules then. Nate?
Remi Inocencio in London, thank you.